will be cooking Banga stew.
Preparing to go and see my crush. She's not my real crush mentally, but it's people that is combining us to be a crusher. On this fateful evening, NEPA light was tumbling in my area, so I'm using LED light for this video. This is not how my body was blended in real life. In case of the people that will come across of me today, and I will be becoming a black person in their eyes.
You all are becoming wondrous. Some people are like even advising me that I should stop buying wigs, I should stop buying clothes. See, most of those clothes are for advert. The one I used to buy is the one I used to mention on the video that I bought it with my money. Most of them are adverts, then pay me for that. Okay, let me go straight to the point. So some people are like, a lot of people commenting, Happiness, you don't like eating chicken meat, advising me of my heads. I really appreciate, but you don't even know. I don't used to eat chicken when I was small. I don't used to eat chicken. I don't used to eat cow meat. It's only goat meat I used to eat, and they have to fry it before I can eat it.
It is time to boil rice for our Banga stew.
And I don't use you fry it and give it separately for me.
Our Banga creamy soup is ready, and don't forget, we create AI content videos for your business.